Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the default applications on your Android phone. So if you want to go ahead and change like the default messenger or your web browser, well, this is easy to do. Just scrolling down from the top. Go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Then scrolling down past all the apps, go to where it says Default Apps, Brave Phone and Messages. Now go to your specific category. So here's the browser application. So I only have one web browser, Brave. I went ahead and disabled Chrome, so that's not showing on the list. Then we have phone app is just phone. Let's go to SM. So you probably change this at some point. So all I have is messages, so I only have one default one. Then home app, what is this? Looks like I only have one of those. Call redirecting, none. So if you want to go ahead and change probably your messages or your internet browser, come in this section. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.